Hey guys, it's me, Moonin Papa, and I'm taking you to church today. Have you ever heard that expression before? Come to Jesus, or it's time to come to Jesus moment is basically when you or a group of people decide, okay, we need to stop what we're doing. We need to regroup, reassess the situation, what's going on, make some changes, and move forward on the path that we should be on. Now, I'm talking to mostly new traders for this video, but for the veterans, this is also for you too. It's good to have a wake up call every once in a while, right? Just like many of you, some of my best ideas come when I'm in the shower. I have no idea why. I should probably put this on the shower thoughts thread on, or I don't think they call it a thread, but the subreddit or whatever on Reddit. Um, but this just hit me, and I thought, this is perfect. It solidifies things that I've talked about extensively on the Better Traders courses, but also here on YouTube. And even in my conversations and chats with people, whether it's private or public, I've encountered the same, not problem, but mindset when talking to people that are new to trading or new to a specific strategy, whether it's a strategy taught in my courses or a strategy that they've discovered. Everyone that is new to trading expects it to be easy, fast, and basically microwave gains, as in you put the money in, turn on the knob, wait, and then you have money. The microwave mentality is incredibly dangerous to trading and just in general in life. And for people that have grown up in the microwave age, which would be me, I mean, there are times where I've had to reheat my meals and I don't want to wait for it to be cooked in an oven or whatever. But what I'm really trying to say is that there's a huge part of trading that new traders just don't know how to develop. And that's patience. And that's really what I want to talk about in this Come to Jesus video. This thought, this thing that came to my mind, is pretty profound. And I had my wife write it down on a piece of paper, and I'm just going to read it because it's just going to be easier that way. So here it is. You can't have patience if you don't have a plan. And you can't have a plan if you don't have purpose. This is one of those things where we actually have to work backwards. I'm going to say it again. You can't have patience if you don't have a plan. And you can't have a plan if you don't have a purpose. Let's try to insert some ideas into this. And we're going to work backwards because the end goal is to develop patience. But to get there, we need to actually take some steps backward. You can't just all of a sudden develop patience. And lots of people struggle with how to be patient, how to become patient. But this is the formula. So let's work backwards from patience. Before we have patience, we need to have a plan. But even before then, we need to have a purpose to what we're doing. Now, this can actually be applied to anything in life, whether it's crypto trading or it's working at a job or working on a dream that you have, a dream business, working on a book that you're writing, anything really, or a relationship. But here's the thing. If you don't have a purpose for working at that thing, be it crypto trading, building relationships with people, building your network, writing a book, screenplay, whatever. If you don't have a purpose, a why for doing what you want to achieve, you can't develop a plan. And you definitely can't have patience because you don't know what you're waiting for. You can't develop patience for something you don't have a plan for. And you can't have a plan if you don't have a purpose for doing something. Lots of us spend hours of our life scrolling, meandering on the internet, getting lost in our thoughts, thinking, oh, this would be fun, this would be fun. And that's all great. It's good to daydream and to speculate, but none of those things have a set purpose to them. I mean, the purpose is just to free form think and to just explore those ideas. But the things that we really want in life, the things that we feel like were given to us, that we were made for, that we have a purpose for completing or attaining those things. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm speaking to. So Let's talk specifically about cryptocurrency, okay? For me, my purpose for switching from stocks into crypto is 3 letters: BTC. I am a strong believer in Bitcoin. I think it has a great use case. I think it has a very significant chance to becoming much more valuable in the future. My purpose in trading is to accumulate as much Bitcoin as possible. So that's my purpose. So now that I have a purpose, I need to have a plan for how to reach that purpose or that goal. If I want to accumulate the most Bitcoin possible, I need to have probably several plans in place for how to do that. I'm going to be a little bit creative, so please forgive me if I'm just saying things and you're just like, well, I don't agree with that. Don't worry about it. I'm just kind of spitballing here to help you. But if we're trying to think about ways that we can accumulate as much Bitcoin as possible, sometimes it doesn't mean trading. Sometimes it could be being an affiliate, like an affiliate for the Better Traders, an affiliate for 3 Commas, an affiliate for another crypto startup. Maybe it's looking at ads, like with the Brave browser, and earning BAT. And it's not Bitcoin, but you're still earning cryptocurrency. And there are other ways that you can do that as well. There's also staking coins. You can stake coins, whether it's a stable coin or it's Bitcoin or it's another coin on an exchange, and you can earn a yielded rate on what you stake, what you're kind of investing into a bond to return a profit on that. So trading is a great way to grow your stack. It's a good plan to have, but sometimes your plan needs to be fanned out a little bit as well. So our purpose, accumulate as much Bitcoin as possible. Our plan is we're going to trade Bitcoin. We're also going to make money by becoming an affiliate marketer, I guess, or earning affiliate commissions or referral commissions, things like that. And now we can then employ the last step, which is patience. Now, as traders, it's a little bit hard to see this. So I know I talked about other things, but let's just focus now on trading. When you start trading, you're going to expect gains like that. And the truth is that it's not going to happen that fast. Well, it could. Maybe you might lose those gains in the next trade. You have to accept that part of the plan for trading is to have a steady increase. And maybe that increase isn't 1% a day. Maybe it's smaller. Maybe it's like 5% a week. But as long as you're having an increase in size, that is a great plan to have. Now, one thing that will really help you to stick to your plan is to use a tool like the Better Traders Journal. I mean, this is why we developed and wrote this thing, is to help you become a better trader, to help you stick to rules, to help you develop a better mindset for trading, and to also manage and monitor your psyche as you trade. So once you have a tool like the Better Traders Journal, and you have that along a plan, then you can start working on your patience. You can see that you can never have patience for doing something that you don't have a plan for. And you can never have a plan for something that you're really not passionate about, that you don't have a purpose for doing. There are lots of P words flying over here, all except dirty minds. So you thought about it first. I know you did. What I'm getting at is not a plug for the Better Traders Journal. It's not. What this is really about is a plan that I want to put in place. Again, I'm not intentionally putting all these P's into this, and I'm sure my mic is hating this right now. I have to wipe it down later with alcohol, of course. My sole, the sole reason, I'll say, behind making this video is to inspire all of you new traders. And maybe you're not a trader, but you of course have dreams. You of course have ambitions and goals that you want to achieve in life. So I want you to write this down. I want you to keep it somewhere near so that way you can reference this and you can think about it. Because I really do think it's that profound. You can't have patience if you don't have a plan. And you can't have a plan if you don't have a purpose. That is my come to Jesus moment for all of you new traders and all those people out there that just need a swift kick in the pants to get you focused on what's really important to you. What do you feel driven to accomplishing? Let me know what you think about this video. I've never really made one like this before, but like I said, it hit me in the shower and it hit me in the gut, and I just thought, this is too good, I gotta share it with somebody. So I'm sharing it with all y'alls on the tubes. I'm pretty sure nobody calls it that, but it's okay. So let me know what you thought about this silly video. You can leave a comment down below. You can reach out to me on Discord, on Telegram. Stay safe, guys. These are crazy times we live in, but honestly, stay safe, take care of yourself, take care of those ones around you, your loved ones. Call your families, check in on them, and stay awesome and stay in the green. Peace.